Want to create or sign up for AliExpress account 2025? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily create one. Start by moving into any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for AliExpress login, or you can search with AliExpress sign in. Now head over to the very first site account. Once you're in the official page, you need to click on sign in or register right over here. Well, you can create your account with Google in just one click. All you're gonna do is you have to click on sign in with Google, or you can select sign in with Facebook, Apple ID, or many more. Once you've selected Google, choose a specific account from which you want to create your AliExpress account. Let me select this account for now. Click on it. Now click on continue at the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, your AliExpress account has been created with one click. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.